Southern Tennessee, heading down to Georgia, dude. We're heading down to Cedartown, Georgia. All right, let's get it, boys. Yeah. Surprise, dude.
What the f is this?
We're about to take off. About an 8.5 hour drive. We left about 4 a.m. About 2 hours away, dude. 2 hours away, almost to Chattanooga. Max had to pee, so we had to pull over. He gets whiny. He gets whiny.
I get whiny?
He's got them OG joggers on,
Hey,
dude.
the OG grade 2 toes, baby. Let's go, OG Bobby Johnson. Dude, come on.
Get in the back.
Dude, I'm riding shoddy.
I mean, freaking back. Getting warm. Devin's riding shoddy.
Hell yeah, bud.
Devin's riding shoddy, dude.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh. Hey.
What's up?
See you when we get there, bud.
I got you be on one, put on the mirror. First shot.
Highland Park, dude. We're packed. There's a pond with a bubbler.
There's a pond with a bubbler.
Hey, there's some bikes. This is cool, huh? Pull right in there.
Straight?
Yeah. Right there. Don't hit the right here.
Dude, no, it's pretty soft right here.
Right here. Quads too. Hey, so far you can't ride in the creeks because of EPA.
There's bridges over.
There's bridges over the creeks. Every trail's one way. Don't know how I feel about it yet.
We're not hitting the MX track.
We're hitting the MX track first thing.
No, we're not.
Hitting some sick triples.
Dude, are you know how to work a ratchet strap?
Look at this dumb
It won't come
idiot.
like that.
Why are you straddling your bike like that, weirdo?
Because I have to.
Jesus.
Before mine.
All right, boys. We're about to take off.
Yeah. You do.
Huh?
We're a little low for Devin.
Devin's a little low. Hell, we only got 2.5 hours. Place closes at 5 apparently. So hey, we're about to get some ripping in, boys. Let's get it. Max, I just take off that way.
What, bud?
You almost lost that momentum.
Huh?
You almost lost your momentum.
Dude, I was teasing you.
Max is gonna have one of those days.
Yeah.
Action.
Right when I start recording, then you don't do anything funny.
Okay, shut the f up. Give me some time. Max has got to load this. And then all the funny stuff starts happening.
Push it, motherfucker. Push it down.
Slow down. 15 only. 15.
It was from West Virginia. I probably bought it.
Oh. You bought that?
Probably. Bought that.
Last
Hear
thing.
something?
What?
Bullfrog?
Bullfrog? Where? Oh, did you hear that?
I don't
That
think
son of a...
I don't think
See,
it's
it
that
sounded
loud.
like it was right here in these trees.
Idiot, get my camera back. What are we looking at here?
Dude, are you putting us in the trees? Damn, dude, you...
Dude, this guy don't know how to drive. What a surprise.
A little pepper ringer?
No.
Shouldn't?
No. Damn, dude, that exhaust leak now.
It makes it sound pretty mean.
Compound thing. Hey. Honestly, these cabins don't look that nice.
No, they don't. I'm glad we're going to the quality end.
Hey, first day done of riding. Now we gotta go eat and get our room at Quality Inn.
Dang, that's an old toy hauler.
Yeah, it is. Devin recommended this hotel,
What?
didn't you?
No, dude, I said no bed bugs.
Well, we're getting bed bugs. We're in Georgia, but that's nice. We made it. Cedartown. Cedartown. Let them know. Where you
No.
Yo, stop.
Let him know, dude. Let him know. Yo, no, dude.
Quality Inn, dude. Oh, look at that truck, dude. He's definitely riding.
This looks quality. This looks quality.
Hey, we're getting showered up, dude. We're about to hit the freaking road. Get some food. What do we got going on here? How the hell do you open this? The van's out there.
Well, I gotta make it.
Huh?
You got comb?
Cone? No. I don't got one.
Yada, 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 I'll get some water.
Camelback.
You ready? Good.
Dude, you wearing your sweatpants? You gotta wear it tonight too?
When I get there, I'm gonna change.
Is it cold outside?
Right on. Hey, we made it back. We didn't wake up very early this morning. It's probably like noon right now. Max, what are you doing, you weirdo? Devin's bike's looking like a piece of shit, like normal. Piece of shit. Rowdy, rowdy, rowdy.
Hey, check that.
Hey, we're gonna hit the trail. We'll take you with us, boys. Let's get it.
Something's loose on there.
Oh, damn. My bad. Oh, my bad. Let me adjust my camera real quick. All right, let's get it, boys.
All right, you're leading.
We've been through this, dude. Especially with this camera. Stabilization, 4K. It's pretty mint. I'll follow you.
37.
That was
Moto dog. Moto dog. Found us a new dog. Yeah. Day 2. Riding over. What are we doing now?
We're gonna watch Mike Tyson fight at a f***ing
Bar.
Giggity's maybe.
Giggity bar. Hey, that's next, boys. My bad, dude.
That's like the worst parking.
My bad. That's my fault.
Dude, it's not even just deleted.
Should I lock it?
Yeah, I gotta keep my pocket.
Surprise, dude. We made it back to the hotel.
Oh,
Surprise, dude. We made it back. We made it back to the hotel, dude.
you got the keys in the van?
Yeah, I do. Surprise, Devin. We made it back to the hotel,
Let's go,
dude.
bud. Come on.
We're back at the hotel. That's all that matters, dude. We're here now.
Yeah, we got the 100%. Dude, this ain't good, man. Hey, we got 20 more stairs. Mine. This ain't we're gonna make the stairs. Oh shit.
You recording?
Do the exit.
Dude, we're not done.
Look at. What do you mean we're not done?
done.
Look at this camera
We're not done.
and say we're heading out.
Hey, we're heading to Nashville, getting drunk round 2.
Yeah.
Get ready.
Dude, what time are we gonna get home with this, right? We're
Brian's
gonna have
over,
time to
dude.
stop in Nashville.